Hello, my name's Joseph Bishop, and today I wanted to present to you some of my code and show you it in action. So to start it off, we're just going to drop down here to our main, where you can see that we've passed in two different parameters to tell us which model we want and we want to do with it. Do we want to train, process it, process a video with it, or present, which we're doing today. So our main thing happens here in our process function, where we generate our image pyramid with those different levels, going from the largest down to the smallest. And then we actually loop through all those different levels, passing each level down to a sliding window function. Now within this function, we then process it and make our predictions of it. So we move across that image, grabbing different windows as we go, pass it into our model to predict and get our predictions. So we then make sure that we're not getting a negative, so making sure it's not just some random spot, making sure that's actually a number. And once we do that, we then save that box off, that window off into a box, and save off the value and what we actually think it is. Now once we've done that, we've created all of these boxes. We then pass it off to our non-maxima suppression to create a box for each number, and then use that to mark up our image showing us where we think that box is and what number we think it is. Alright, let's see this in action now. So first thing we're going to see pop up is the different examples from the image pyramid, so the different levels. So we're going to start with our biggest and moving down just a couple of them, next one down, next one. So we can see they're all getting smaller. Now it's not all of them, we just wanted to show you some examples today. Now here's the smallest level of the image pyramid, and that green box is the window that we're currently working with and we're processing right now. And as you can see, as we move along, the window is changing with it, and nothing's happening. So as soon as we find a number and we think we've actually found a number, another window is going to pop up showing us the image that we think is a number, and in the command prompt we're going to see it say value and the number we think it actually is. So we're going to kind of zoom through here until we get to level 9, because that's where we actually hit an image where it actually shows us a number. It's actually this one here. And ta-da, we have another window pop up saying prediction, and it thinks it's a value of 4, and it's a 4, so that's great, it worked. And as we move through, we get 7, 8, 6, until we get to our final image showing us, hey, here's all the boxes that we found, here's the numbers we found, and what we think they are. And it's a 4, 7, 8, and 6. As you can see, it worked out great. And that's my presentation today, so thank you for your time.